Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss split command in Revit. So see how to use the split command. So suppose here we have drawn one layout and now here you can see different wall is shown here. Okay, exterior wall we have drawn, some interior wall also we have drawn. So when I am taking the cursor near to any of the wall, suppose this wall, so see it is a single object, single wall na, this complete wall is selected. Now if you want to split this wall, if you want to make this wall as a double object or triple object, you can do it, but now it is a single object. Okay, if you want to split, so you have to come here in modify tab, modify panel. See the option is given split element. Okay, or you can use the shortcut SL. So now I want to split this wall. So what I am doing, from here modify panel, select this split element. Now from where you want to split, you can select manually. See, from here I want to split, just hit on that. Now see, when you select this wall is a separate wall, this wall is separate wall. Now you can change the property of this wall whatever you want. You want to change the thickness of wall. Presently it is 8 inch. From here now I am changing 12 inch. See, now you can do the changes as per your requirement, because this wall is different object and this wall is different, because you have taken the split command. Okay, so in this way you can use the split command. Now one more thing here it is given, suppose I am using the split element. Now here you can see in option bar one option is given, delete inner segment. If you want to delete the inner segment after split, just check it. Now suppose from here I want to split. Okay, see, and now in 3D also you see separate object, you can see. Now you can just see this is our separate. If you want to change, if you want to apply some different material for this wall, you can do it. If you want to apply some different material for this wall, that also it is possible. Okay, so now come here again, suppose I am using the Control Z. Now the next option is also given here, split with gap. In modify tab, modify panel, the next option is split with gap. Suppose you want to split the wall and you want to give the gap between both wall which you have split, so that also possible. So hit on this split with gap. Okay, so here you can see in option bar join gap, how much gap you want to give. Suppose I want to give 6-inch gap, so here I have written 6 inch between this wall. So just select the wall which you want to split like this. When you measure the distance, this gap distance, see, use the di command shortcut from this face to this face. See, it is showing 6 inch. So by using split with gap also you can split the wall. Now see, this wall is a different, this wall is different. Now you can do the changes as per your requirement. So in this way we have to use the split command in Revit. I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.